Let me show you how to create this letter portrait effect in Photoshop. This is the font that I am using. And this is the color. Now drag your image to Photoshop. Adjust its position accordingly. Click here and choose Create Clipping Mask. Press Ctrl-J to make a copy. Hold Alt and click here on the mask. Now choose the brush tool. Make sure it is a hard round brush. Set the opacity to 100%. Set the foreground color to white. Follow this process. Support my channel by buying my templates from my store. Link in the description below. Now choose the text layer, photo layer style and choose gradient. Follow this process. These are the colors that I am using. Check the codes. That's it. Hope you liked it. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Also watch other tutorials in my channel. And check my affiliate links in the description below.